3. Get undertakings on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Indeed, even in the period of mechanization, a few positions actually require human touch. Organizations frequently rethink those positions through administrations like Amazon's Mechanical Turk. As a laborer, the errands you'll be doled out can be dreary, labeling pictures, deciphering recordings, grouping receipts, and can take any place from a couple of moments to a couple of hours. Transitory managers or requesters set the cost for each errand and get to endorse the completed item prior to paying you. That can leave space for tricks, so do all necessary investigation. Join a local area like the M-Turk Group Gathering, or the M-Turk and Turker Country subreddits, which can guide you away from tricky sellers. These people group and individual laborers can respond to questions and give a reasonable thought of how much cash you can hope to make. Peruse more about Mechanical Turk as a method for bringing in fast cash on the web.